everybody, my name is Tyler Woolham, Regional Sales Manager for Challenger Lifts. Today we are at 2019 SEMA in the Challenger booth with JMC equipment. What we're going to talk about today is our VLE10. It will replace our LE10 in February of 2020. What I want to display today is the new arms on the VLE10. It features a 3-stage offset versametric arm. As well as this arm, you can see it has a wide foot pad. These are for the new 2019 Silverados. You only need a set of 2 for the front. That is because they have a wider frame. They must be used to accommodate the lifting points. I'll also point out a couple features. This is a price-conscious lift, but still an excellent grade for any shop. You'll see here is a coated lock release cable. And all of our products are ALI Gold Label certified. This product will also come with stack extension kits, a 3 and a 6-inch stack extension that drops right into the pad itself. And this is so you can lift any type of truck, so you're not using up the stroke of the lift itself.